One of the top BIM firms in New York, Scon Design, offers clients cutting-edge design solutions. The business is known for providing exceptional services, and its staff members receive competitive pay. Salary for BIM firms in New York varies depending on a number of variables, including experience, talents, and work titles. Scon Design does, however, provide attractive compensation and benefits packages to entice top industry personnel. As a result, Scon Design workers have a fulfilling work environment, possibilities for career advancement, and job security. In general, working for BIM firms like Scon Design can be financially and professionally rewarding. One of the top BIM businesses in New York, Scon Design, is growing its staff. BIM businesses are in great demand due to the city's expanding building sector. Scon Design is actively looking for seasoned experts to join their team and provide support for their ongoing projects. Scon Design is a BIM business that provides a variety of services, such as 3D modeling, collision detection, and construction documentation. A degree in architecture or engineering, familiarity with Navisworks, and experience with Revit are all requirements for the perfect applicant. Check the websites of Scon Design and other BIM businesses in New York for any current job openings, and submit your application if you're interested in working there. One of the top BIM firms in New York, Scon Design, offers a variety of services to clients in the building sector. Scon Design has established itself as a top provider of building information modeling, BIM, services, and has been known for its superior work in project management, design, and construction. The business delivers cutting-edge solutions that are customized to match the unique requirements of each project, thanks to a staff of knowledgeable employees. Scon Design has established itself as one of the top BIM firms in New York, thanks to its dedication to quality and client satisfaction. Leading BIM provider Scon Design serves clients in the architecture, engineering, and construction sectors with cutting-edge solutions. They specialize in creating thorough BIM models that incorporate the structure, systems, and materials of a building as well as all other design elements. Scon Design has a reputation for providing high-quality projects that are tailored to their clients' specific demands because to their staff of highly qualified individuals. They remain at the forefront of the business because to their dedication to utilizing the most recent hardware and software. Scon Design, one of the top BIM firms in New York, is committed to giving its customers great service and outcomes. Leading BIM provider Scon Design provides clients across the world with thorough building information modeling, BIM, services. Scon Design is dedicated to providing high-quality BIM solutions that assist clients in optimizing their construction projects and achieving their business objectives. With a team of seasoned professionals and cutting-edge technologies, Scon Design is a BIM firm that employs cutting-edge software and procedures to produce accurate 3D models of buildings. These models let architects, engineers, and contractors work